Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making something delicious as usual. Today we're making salmon and sautéed spinach. Not a lot of ingredients, it's gonna be a quick and easy one. Let me introduce you to the ingredients of the day. We have diced onions, grape tomatoes, minced garlic, oil, black pepper, salt, butter, baby spinach, and salmon. Come with me, let's go.
For this recipe, the first thing you have to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And then we season our salmon. Some olive oil, salt, and black pepper. You rub it all around your salmon equally. Add your oil to the already heated pan. Dip my salmon into the pan. So what I'm trying to do here by placing the salmon in a hot pan is to give it a little crust, that crunchy, crunchy feel we all like when we eat our fish. Now I would introduce the butter. So what the butter does is it helps get it crunchy on time, plus that sweet butter flavor. You can never go wrong with butter. Get a spoon and just baste your fish with the butter, so every part of the fish gets the coating. As you can see, it's all looking crispy. Time to put this bad boy in the oven. So the next chapter of this recipe is to work on the sautéed spinach. Some oil in a hot pot, onions in a hot pan, add our tomatoes, move that around. When the onions is translucent, we add some garlic. Move that around, round, and round. Add some salt, black pepper, and the spinach. Just gonna move this around for about 10 to 15 seconds just to get it wilted, not totally sauteed. I like mine crunchy. Our sauteed spinach is ready. So our food is ready. Time to plate. So we're putting some, little garnish, make the plate look beautiful. And there you have it. We have our beautiful sautéed spinach and salmon. A very easy dish anybody can make.
Hi, thank you for watching till the end. Don't forget to like and share our videos. Follow us on all social media platforms, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. And don't forget to click the notification bell so when we drop a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you. Let's make cooking fun again.